stops and bars. Oh yeah, it's fast. I mean, it's beautiful. Here, Petoskey, I thought. We did a soccer tournament. One of the grandparents lived there. And
Not
that
that
was
chain of lakes, is it?
it was yeah, it was a bunch of this.
Oh yeah, that's where Rick's place was off of.
Really?
Yeah, we'd take his pontoon boat and you can stop and have a beer and then another beer down the road.
Do a pub crawl on Neville Rough, you know.
It connects a bunch of lakes.
Couldn't believe how many lakes. Yeah. You would, it's an open lake, open it up. And